You smell that, snipers? I think it's the bullshit, because it seems like we got the market heating back up again. This is going to be a great weekly watchers watch list. Come check us out every Monday. We go over the top stocks we are eyeing down to possibly tag a bag on this week and the last week of June trading. And for this week, we're going to bring you into the Stock Snipers app. If you're not a part of the team, you can check us out on the Apple App Store as well as Google Play or on our website at thestocksnipers.com. And when you jump in the app, you want to go to the Watchlist tab and you click on that watch list. And today we got an extended list because opportunity is out there. We are finally getting opportunity that presents itself. The market has been super slow the past year or so, and now we're finally starting to get some heat. And not just the overall market, but the OTC stocks, the Stock Snipers bread and butter. So we're going to start here with 16 OTC stocks, and then we're going to jump into some listed stocks. The two stocks we're going to start off with are two stocks we tagged a bag on to start the brand new week. And the first one is BBBYQ, and that's Bed Bath & Beyond. Recently went bankrupt and turned into a penny stock company, and now we're looking to take advantage of that first green day play. We got the nice spike above 235 that we were looking for on Monday morning, and the stock continued to push all the way up into the 28. So beautiful run for Bed Bath & Beyond. We were able to grab just about $600 on a bag over the weekend there on Bed Bath & Beyond. The next one we're going to talk about is another recent bankrupt company, but this is in the banking sector. FRCB, First Republic Bank. This is one of those stocks that collapsed with the banking market. They were once a $100 stock not even 4 months ago, and now they're down to a 20-cent stock. We're buying this stock right in the 20s, looking for the follow-up green day, and that's exactly what we got. We got the follow-up green day. We took advantage of the 10% plus move, and we were able to bag right around $400, making over $1,000 from Friday to Monday over the weekend. What better way to start your weekend than with two bags, no losses, to start a brand new week? Now, the rest of these stocks we're eyeing down to possibly take advantage of. The first one is VRSSF. This is an AI-related stock that's created multiple downward days. Usually we look for the first green day after multiple downward days. When this stock makes a first green day, it usually follows up to the next one, and that's what we're looking for in VRSSF. The next one is another AI-related stock because AI stocks have been going down after the big pop that they got the past 2 months. AITX is a sub-penny stock that we're looking to continue to hold 0075. 0075 seems to be a key spot, but we're not going to just buy it. We're looking for the momentum back above 0083, and then we'll look to take advantage of AITX. The next one, another sub-penny stock. Yes, you can buy stocks that are below a penny. This is DPLS. DPLS is another one that's been trading in a tight range between 0056, 0065. If we can get a push above 0065 this week, we're going to look to take advantage of that first green day. This next one is a penny stock, an EV-related penny stock, so we're jumping from sector to sector to sector. This EV-related penny stock is ABML. Usually when it gets above 80 cents, it's able to run. We want it to get above 80, then spike above 85, and we think we can get a nice run back into the 90s here in ABML. CORZQ. This is one of those huge running bankrupt stocks that just went crazy, spiking all the way from 33 cents all the way to the high 70s. And now we're just trying to play the first red day. So after multiple green days, you want to see a first red day happen, and that's what we're looking for in CORZQ. SBNY. This is Signature Bank, another one of those big banking stocks that got teared apart when the banking sector got beat up. Was recently a high price $100 stock, just like FRCB. Now it's came all the way back down to 15 cents. This one hasn't been able to get the volume like FRCB, but if it does and spikes above 15 cents, just know the snipers will be tagging bags just like FRCB. NLST is another former runner that's creating multiple downward days. We're looking for it to come down to long-term support of 310. If it can and then holds that spot, we'll look to take advantage of that first green day. This is a lighter volume OTC stock, AWLIF. AWLIF has made multiple red days from 29 cents back down to 18 cents long-term support area. We're looking for the bounce right around there and a first green day to take advantage of in AWLIF. NWBO. This is another one we recently tagged a bag on a couple weeks ago, and since tagging that bag, it's came down on about 10 straight downward days. When you got multiple downward days, you want to see the first green day. The good thing about this is it came down to 57 long-term support, and as long as it holds that spot, we're going to look for that pop back up. GTII just got a huge spike from 69 cents to $1. So about 35% plus spike there last week. Now it's consolidating above 85 cents. If it holds 85 cents a couple more days, we're going to look for that first curl green day back above $1. This next one is a very slow, old, reliable play. We like to call them old, reliable because you don't make as much, but you also don't risk as much. JRNGF, looking for that first green day off of these 390, 380 spot, and usually when it makes a first green day, it follows up. Same one with this OTC penny stock, shrimp, SHMP. Very unique company, actually farming shrimp in a farm, so trying to genetically multiply shrimp in a farm instead of going to buy it in the ocean. People think the ocean is dirty. They think this is going to be a cleaner way to buy shrimp. Obviously, the stock does not think the same, dropping multiple days. And now we're looking for that first green day off a long-term support of 4.5. This next one is a Bitcoin stock, and Bitcoin stocks have been fire. We have GXLM up 100% plus, BCHG up 80% plus. Huge runners. GDLC is also another one that was able to run on 5 straight green days. Now looking for the first red day and rejection of 8. OTC EV related stock, HYSR. That's an EV stock that's made multiple red days. Looking for the first green day pop there. If we get that first green day pop, we're going to look to take advantage of this one in HYSR. And now we got some listed stocks to talk about. And the listed stocks, just like OTC stocks, we had great success on them the past couple of weeks. MULN, the one we're going to start with, back-to-back week bags. So unbelievable back-to-back bags and MULN. And now we're looking for the same type of move. A first green day. Usually when it creates a first green day, it follows up to the next one. The next one is Tesla, the EV sector leader, looking for a first red day short. If it pops to 288, that seems to be a key level that we're looking for it to grab some puts or on a first red day short. ONCY is a stock we made money on last week when it was breaking 52-week highs. Now we think it got way too overextended, popping from 220 52-week breakout all the way to 339. We're looking for that double rejection at the top and then a possible first red day. MCOM is another EV-related stock that is completely beat up. I mean, this stock has dropped from $4 all the way down to 13 cents in just about 2.5 months, 3 months here. Now we're looking for that first green day. I mean, we're not going to sit here and just try to bag any of these stocks, but if it does create a first green day, we'll look to take advantage of it. And last but certainly not least is the AI sector leader. AI has been on a tear the past month, but everything that goes up must come down. AI has made new 52-week highs of 48.87, and now it's coming all the way back down to 32.63 on 5 straight red days. So multiple red days after multiple upward green days. Love to see it. Now we want to see the momentum shift and turn back around. So we're looking for BBAI, SOUN, CXAI, GFAI, BRFG, as well as VRSSF and AITX in the AI sector to make a bounce once AI makes that bounce. Looks like my monitors took a sleep. Took a little bit too long on this one, but it was an extended list. And with this many opportunities out there, we should be able to tag some bags. We're already 2 for 2 to start the brand new week. Let's see if we can continue the bags going. Much love, snipers. Hit the subscribe button below if you'd like to check this out every Monday at 6 p.m. Eastern. Stock Sniper Mike, out.